Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you what HTTP URLs mean. So when you go to the reporting section from SEO tools, which you can access from the side menu or from any of the other pages on this piece of software, you'll notice that under the canonical section we have HTTP URLs. If we minimize some of these other sections so that we can concentrate on that a little bit more easily, what you'll see is that there's a whole range of information to do with things that can affect canonical issues, whether that's canonical duplication or duplicate content. We've already covered canonical pages, non-canonical URLs, and pages that are missing a canonical tag, so if you're unfamiliar with those, please go and check out those videos. Now, HTTP URL stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is essentially the protocol through which your web browser liaises with web servers and presents content to you. Now, HTTP is the insecure or not secure version of HTTPS, and nowadays most sites use the HTTPS with the S standing for security. Now, on this page you can see any pages that have that use HTTP from the previous and the current crawl, and if any of that has changed since those two crawls have been performed. Because we don't have any HTTP URLs on our site, because all of our HTTP URLs are redirected to the HTTPS version, there's no data in here. But if there were to be data in here, you would see the URL, the status, the canonical URL, whether it's listed in a sitemap, if the page is canonical, and if the page is indexable. So by clicking data in the breadcrumb navigation, we can go back to the reporting page and we can see HTTP URLs. We give this a minor error, as is indicated by the orange thermometer next to the item itself. This means that it's a minor error. Typically, sites should use HTTPS rather than HTTP, and so we always suggest that if you're using HTTP, you upgrade to using HTTPS. Now, you can always also use this section to see, as in our case, we use only HTTPS, so all of our URLs and pages use that, whereas 0 pages use HTTP. Well, thanks for watching. See you next time.